This is answer 56. P, Q and R were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 1:2:2. After division of profits for the year ended 31st March 2014, their capitals were 1,50,000 for P, for Q this and R this. That means we have to first calculate opening capital in the rough notes. This is your working notes and this is your question 56. And we have to answer question 56. First of all, we have to find out opening capitals. To find out opening capital, what we have to do is opening capital is equal to, this is answer 56. Answer 56. Working notes. Working notes. There are three partners P, Q and R. Rupees, rupees, rupees. Here I have told you after division of profits, that means they have given you the closing capital. Closing capitals. Capitals. For P, this is 1,50,000. For Q, this is 1,80,000. And for R, this is 2,10,000. 2,10,000. You have to add drawings. Add drawings. Add drawings. Drawings of all the three partners are rupees 20,000 each. So please write down 20,000. We usually deduct drawings from the opening capital. Hence, we have to add drawings with closing capital to find out the opening capital. We have to go in a reverse manner. Less net profit. Less net profit. Here, the net profit is given in the problem is rupees 60,000, which has been credited to the partner in their profit sharing ratio of 1:2:2. 1:2:2. That's why it is 60,000 into 1 by 5, 12,000, 24,000 and 24,000. Now we will be getting the opening capital. This is opening capitals. Opening capitals. One lakh 58,000 for P. For Q, it is 1,76,000. and for R it is 2,06,000. Then we have to prepare statements showing the adjustments to be made for PQR and farm. This is a statement showing in the same working note. Statement showing adjustments to be made. As you know, this is your particulars. And there are three partners and farm. This is partner P, this is debit amount and credit amount. This is your debit amount, this is your credit amount, and rupees. Same is for Q, debit amount, credit amount. This is debit, this is credit, rupees. Then comes R, P, Q and R, debit, credit, rupees, and that of the farm is same. This is for farm, debit, credit, rupees. They have omitted interest on capitals. The interest on capital omitted. Interest on capitals omitted, छूट गया था. Omitted at the rate of 10%. You see, you read the question, it is the fourth last line. 10% per annum, and it has been left out of consideration. It is now to be given to them, that is 15,800 for A. For B it is 17,600, and for C it is 20,600, and if you will add these two, it will come to 54,000, credit for the partners, debit for the farm, and this became a loss for the farm because we left the appropriation. Now we are providing for this, so that's why we can write down loss for the above. Loss for the above. Loss for the above 54,000 rupees, 54,000 in 1 is to 2 is to 2. The mistaken portion only, not 60,000. This 54,000 only. But the rest 6,000 has been distributed to them in 1 is to 2 is to 2 ratio. 54,000 you will be distributed in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 2. They have already taken, which is to be debited. It is 10,800 for P. For Q it is 21,600 debit. For R it is same 21,600 and it will be credited for the firm at the total value of 54,000. Fine. Now total this and then we will be getting the net effect answer for this. The second line where accounts usually ends, it's to be doubled. This is total 10,800, 15,800, 21,600, 17,600, 21,600, 20,600, 54,000, 54,000. Then comes your adjustment. Adjustments. This is adjustment means P debit is smaller than credit, so final amount will be 5,000 for P credit. Then next is 4,000 for Q in debit, and the last one is for R, it is 1,000 debit. There are 2 debits and 1 credit, and the rest are no problem, nothing is there. Then comes your fair. This answer will come like this: Q's capital account debited, R's capital account debited to P's capital account. We have to pass on adjusting journal entry. That means we have to prepare the fair notes now. Fair notes. Journal entry. Journal entry. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Here the date is given to be 31st March 2014. 31st March 2014. It is Q's capital account debited as shown in the working notes. Q's capital account debited 4,000. R's capital account debited R's capital account debited 1,000 to P's capital account, to P's capital account, that is 5,000. Being adjustment journal entry passed for omission of interest in capital. Being adjustment journal entry passed for omission of interest. This is total, which journal always should be. Journal should always be totaled. This is 5,000 in all, in both the cases. This should be 5,000 in all, in both the cases.